Hello everyone. Hello. This is your girl, your sister. This is Juliet, Lovely Family TV. Please, guys, if you know you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. God bless you. If you have already subscribed, God bless you in Jesus' name. Please press the notification button and give me a thumbs up for this my topic of today. My topic of today is about children benefit. Children benefit. These children benefits, some parents will take it as their own money, their own benefits. Although it's helped a lot in the family, okay? It's really help. It can help many things, okay? Thank God for the country that you can receive a children or child benefits. Okay, guys, thank God for the country, because this opportunity we have to receive some benefits. Maybe you are single, maybe you lost your partner, or maybe the children is 4-5 children, so you can receive benefits. So we are not praying for that because you lost your partner. No, we are not praying for that. But this benefit of 18, this children benefit, is for the children, is to take care of the children, is to use this money to take them to where they want to go to enjoy. Sometimes, not always you have to take them every day. No, not always. Sometimes you just need to make that opportunity for them, because that opportunity, we don't have it. We don't have that children benefits when we were in our country. This benefit is for us, for the parents that is receiving the benefit, for them to use it for their kids, to maintain their kids, to dress the house, to make them okay. I know some family that they are receiving a benefit from their, they don't even use it for the kids. They are not using it for the kids. They are always fighting because of benefits. Because the man will say, that money, bring down. You not feel use them. Give me that money. I want to send her go home. No, it's for the children. That money not be waiting that they do something for home. Use them here. That is why they are giving you that money to take care of your children here. Use that money well here. Sometimes you will see some children, when they help in a way. When you see them outside, my sister, I'm really feeling. My brother, I'm feeling for them. Especially when the parents, when the father knows, say, this pikin, they receive some benefit. He will never afford anything again. You don't know the size of your children. You don't know the clothes that your children need to put on. You are receiving benefits. It's not nice. It's not nice, parents. When you know you are receiving part of benefit from your children, use it very well. Use it so that people will know that you are really a good mother. Imagine that day when I was walking down the street. I was just strolling. I saw some children. And they are in our country, Nigerians. The mother don't even take proper care. Never. It's not nice. Please, mothers, please, fathers, if you know you are receiving any child benefit or anything from please try and use it for your kids. Because this opportunity, we don't have it. That money is for your kids, is for your child. Now for your pikin. Not be to go carry bag of go dey calculate bag of this thing. I don't want to talk here, because may they not come say, see wetin some ladies they talk, or see wetin one lady talk, Please, parents, try and maintain your children. Look for cream. This cream like Nivea or all those things. Use it to rub your child very well. Prepare their skin very well. Okay? I know it's not easy. The money is not enough, but you can do that. You can do that. You can work as well if you see that the money is not enough for you to spend. You can work. Let's try and do things good. Because the way that people are taking these things is not nice. You just depend on benefit, your child benefit. Now for my pikin, now for my pikin. But you know they use that for your pikin. Is that nice? It's not nice. It's not nice. When your child is in school, you will just put on one jacket, one jacket. If you know, say you know if you buy new one, you can go for a second new. You can go for the one that your money will afford. That is why I said it the other last video, sir. I'm always saving for my saving time. Says I did save for says for we call it Rebecca. Your pikin go put on one cloth. You go see tell her now. Sometimes you go see when children go reach us, my brothers and sisters, the shoes go they smell, and these children they are paying them child benefits. Let's do it real. Let's do it well, in sake of our children. Sometimes you know go if you see some children for outside, you know go see our country people picking. You know they nice. You know they nice. Let's try and maintain our kids because this opportunity we were not having it at home. Let's take care of our children. Let's take care of them. Even though you are a classic worker, some people they when be say go still they work, you know go still take care of your children. But me, I'm here because of what I'm seeing. Because majority of people are in benefits, not all. But they won't take care of their own children. But why those women they will just go and buy expensive thing for themselves? They call it child benefit. Use it for your child. Use it well. Use it well. There are many things I will be saying about this benefit. Okay? There are many things I will be saying about this benefit. You have to. Let's do things well because they are looking everybody as one. As me, I'm a class worker. I'm a worker. I'm a worker. Not only the people when they receive child benefit, not be all of them be that. So still they use them well. There are some ladies that are still using it well for their kids. But the one I'm seeing, the one I am seeing is not nice. If you know you are closer to them, you can talk to them because they won't allow you to talk to them. I know the one that is in my area. I called her. I told her if there is anything, let me know. I know it's not easy. We know where we are coming from. But now you are here. You have to fight for your child here. You have to make them okay. You have to clean them. Majority of our children, they are not going home. Oh. Majority of our child, they are not going home. Many of our kids, they are not going home. Plan for them. That benefit, you can use it to do something. You can easily work. They won't tell you not to work. They will say you can work. See the one when you feel work ratio. Even you know that your daughter is now a teenager. You can't even take care of your child very well, your daughter. You can't take care of your daughter very well. You know? There are things you will have for your female child. There are things, cosmetics, that you will know, my baby, this one that you will use here, this one after you bath, immediately you bath, before you rub cream, see the one when you use, you take care of her. Not be the way you take grow up, not be the way they be, because some children, when they go sit down with you, you go they perceive some other. You go they perceive some other. You they receive money for top of the picking head. But when they see you say you they maintain your children, they'll say, I beg you, I might get on with her because she's working, because he had other way, because he gonna send her, because the money not they rich, even though he not rich. Not be every month that they buy those things. Sometimes when you see say they put sales for all those roll-on, buy them. Tell your pikin they use roll-on. Maintain your child, female child, all children, maintain them. Maintain them. A lot of complaint. Is it are you not taking your shower? Are you not taking your bath? Why now? Why everywhere is smelly? They don't want to mingle with you because of the order they are perceiving. We go the thought say, the Oyibo na dey smell. No, sometimes we need to check ourselves well. Sometimes when you tell some lady, say, see the roll on where they use, you go say, not be that one they use. They use the one when be say, when you go to sit down, say, all your clothes. You go just bath, finish, now. Let's take care of our children. Not be the way our parents take care of us. Yes, that was then. This time around is to take care of your children. Take good care of them. And you also take care of yourself. Oh. Take care of yourself. Take care of your children, guys. Let's do things real. Let's do it real. Benefit or no benefit, you can do it. You can do it. Your house, try and maintain it. Even though not the everyday sweep, teach your pikin. Get one thing you still dey buy. Other day I will come and talk about how some people do their cleaning. I'm not perfect, I'm not that perfect at all. But there are things I'm seeing about children benefits, especially the man. When you just see, say the children, their mother, they receive benefit. You don't even get anything to do again. You don't want help for the family. You can maintain your child too, especially the men. Not you put everything for the woman head. You can do that. You can do that. Even though you can't even call her and talk to her, talk to their mother. Mother, are you not perceiving something from your child? Please, if there is money, clean them up. Clean them up. Child benefit, you can use it to take care of your child. Don't just keep it for yourself. Don't use it alone. Use it for your child. Not be only food. Not be the money of benefit. Maintenance. You see some women, they carry big this thing for hair, buy many jewelries, but you can't even save for your children. You can't save for them. Some children dey since when they're born, now that they receive that money, but you not go ever see better thing for their body. It's not good. It's not good. There is a lady that he has been here for years now, but you will just, if you see her, you'll say, oh, you just the union they enter, but they receive. They receive. They do it for everybody. They didn't do it for only yourself. Please, I'm talking to the mothers. Take care of your child, especially when she don't reach 10 years. Some children, because they grow. As they grow, they perceive them, but outside they perceive a lot of complaint. It's not nice. It's not nice. Your children, they grow, they benefit, they feel they use that benefit till they take care of your children. Thank you, everyone. Thank you. I'm not referring it to anybody. I'm just here to talk about child benefit of advice. Okay, if you know you are receiving some benefit, take care of your child. It's very, very important. Very, very important, everyone. Thank you. Bye-bye. Stay blessed. Please, guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel. As you do that, God bless you. And I want to see your comment in my comment section about this child benefits. Thank you. Stay blessed.